Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to keep this intro mega short because as you can tell by my voice, I'm not very well and I keep sneezing every like 10 seconds, which is super annoying. So I'm just going to get this over and done with. This is the look I have filmed today. If it looks like something you'd enjoy, please keep on watching. And if you do enjoy, please click the like button, leave me a comment and do subscribe. And now I'll hopefully see you all very soon. Please enjoy the video. Thank you everyone. Bye. Okay, so I do apologise for that intro. I was so ill, like, I don't know why, but throughout this video I just get more and more ill, so the intro was a bit of a fail. But anyway, so the palette I went in with to begin with is the Morphe 35C palette. This is like a really colourful palette and they're all matte shades, so they're ideal for a look like this. So I just went in with that lightest pink shade and I just used this as a transition shade through the crease. And then I went in with this darker pink shade, which is more like a fuchsia pink, and just on a denser brush, I just started working this into the crease and then just taking it on a fluffy brush just to blend it out.
Lips I kiss, bite me while I taste your fingertips. They drunk into the night, wanna keep you here, cause you dry my tears. Yes, I'm up, loving and fights, how it is for us, and it's all because now if we're talking vibe, you got a perfect one, so put it on me. Swear it won't take you long if you love me right. We fuck for life, on and on.
I then just took a little bit of foundation and just started cutting the crease. I took this quite far along the lid and I've just sped it up because I've done it many times in a video and it's probably starting to get a bit boring. So yeah, this is me just cutting the crease, and then afterwards I just took the white shade in that Morphe palette just to set it down. This just helps like all the eyeshadows you're going to use afterwards to blend all together, and it just looks a lot better when you set it down first. I'm then just going to take this matte purple shade and I'm just going to focus this on the outer V, bringing it into where we like cut the crease. So this takes a little bit of time and effort just to, you know, make sure it's all blended nicely so it looks more like an ombre rather than like block colours, but it'll be worth it in the end.
continue on that lean, baby girl. I've been popping, I've been rolling. Since I was 17, I've been geeking on that water. I want you, I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby. I want you,
So we then just took the black in that Morphe palette just to like add again a little bit more dimension to the outer V. I don't really like going in with just like single colours. I like to sort of create like some ombre effects here and there, like a gradient, so it's just different to look at and it's not just like the same two colours, if that makes sense. I don't know if that does make sense, but like it does in my head. So yeah, I just wanted to deepen it up so there is a bit of an ombre, so it's like darker on the outer V and then it like gets lighter towards the front of the eye. I'm then going to go in with that first shade we went in with, like the lighter pink shade, and just on a dense brush I'm just going to use this to colour in like that front bit where we cut the crease. I was going to leave it white, but I thought it looked a bit strange compared to like the pink on the top, so I thought I'll just make it like a light pink, and now it just does genuinely look like quite an ombre look. I'm then going to take the Morphe 35B palette. This is a colourful palette with like more shimmer shades, so I'm going to take the white in that palette. It's identical to the other palette, just that they're more shimmery, and I'm going to use this to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. I'm then going to go in with Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Glitter Liner. This one is in the shade Glamrock. It's like a silver glitter, and I'm just going to run this on the sort of halfway across the lid where we cut the crease. I just thought I would add a little bit of glitter just to, you know, just add something different to it, because when I'm doing these makeup tutorials, sometimes I'll have a look in my mind and then I will just keep going and keep going and keep going. So that's basically what I did here. I then took the Soap & Glory Supercat liner as usual and just drew a wing. I'm then just gonna curl my eyelashes and apply some of the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara on my top lashes. And then I'm just going to take the doll lashes in the style Jasmine and just glue these down onto my lid. And then went back in with that like fuchsia pink colour and just ran it along the lower lash line. And I'm going to take it quite low so it looks nice and bright and colourful.
Make myself a heaven from your falling leaves, woven in the fabric of your tapestry, cover me in honeysuckle memories, and compass point you home, calling out from the east, compass point you anywhere, closer to me, if we make it out.
And then after that pink shade, I am just going to take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Blackbean and run it into my waterline. I'm then going to go back in with that matte black shade in the 35C palette. And I'm just going to, on like a really small brush, just smoke out where we put that eye pencil. Just so it looks more like glam and like night outy, if that makes sense. And then I'm also just going to apply more mascara onto my lower lashes. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry again for the illness voice. Hopefully I will be better by next week. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone.